Ever pondered the intricacies of the stock market? The ups and downs, the bulls and bears, the green and red charts? Today, we're taking a deep dive into this fascinating world, breaking it down into simple, digestible steps for beginners. First up on the agenda is futures trading. These are agreements to buy or sell commodities or financial instruments at a specified date and quantity in the future. They were created to help businesses manage unexpected costs. But bear in mind, futures trading is not for the faint-hearted. It's complex and risky and requires a keen understanding of the market and its trends. Next, we have the over-the-counter or OTC markets. In this arena, stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments are traded directly between two parties, instead of on a public stock market. It's a bit like a private party, where trading happens away from the bustling, crowded exchanges. But remember, OTC trading carries its own set of risks, including illiquidity and market manipulation. And finally, we come to the world of index funds, a popular method for wealth building. Index funds are designed to track specific market indexes, offering diversification and relatively low fees. This makes them a great choice for those aiming for financial independence and early retirement. So, to sum up, the stock market is a vast and varied landscape. It offers different avenues like futures trading, OTC markets, and index funds, each with its own set of rules, benefits, and risks. Futures trading is complex and requires a thorough understanding of the market. OTC markets offer a more private trading environment but come with risks like illiquidity and market manipulation. And index funds provide a simpler, more diversified investment option with relatively low fees. Remember, it's important to do thorough research, understand the risks involved, and set clear financial goals before diving into the stock market. After all, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to understanding the stock market. Here's to making informed and savvy financial decisions.